Ipob issues immediate evacuation advice for Biafrans, Christians in northern Nigeria, over possible U.S. intervention threat. The Indigenous People of Biafra, Ipob movement, citing reliable intelligence, has called for mass emigration of Eastern citizens and Christians residing in northern Nigeria to Eastern region, following political, diplomatic tension between the United States and Nigeria over the unhinged systematic slaughter and genocide of Christians by Islamic terrorists in Nigeria. The statement signed by the head of Ipob Directorate of States, Mazi Chika Edoziem, urged Eastern's residents in the north to swiftly adhere and take necessary precautionary measures and anticipate further escalations and eventualities in the already volatile fiasco. According to the statement, following a possible U.S. military intervention against terror targets in the north, innocent Christians, as well as potentially from the south, could face reprisal and coordinated violent attacks from the terrorists and their sponsors in the north. Thus, the statement urged families to immediately make plans for relocation towards the east, with only essential mobile properties and stay put, until it is absolutely to go back. The statement reads, having received a very reliable intelligence report about moves to commit further genocide against Biafrans and Christian communities in northern Nigeria, as a result of the plan by the United States government to take action to safeguard and protect Christians from the ongoing Christian genocide being orchestrated by the Fulani terrorist, and knowing the predictable response of the Fulani Caliphate and their foot soldiers, the Fulani terrorist of whatever nomenclature, the Directorate of State of the Indigenous People of Biafra, the DOS, hereby advise Biafrans and Christians resident in the northern part of Nigeria as follows. The urgency of the situation demands that you activate all machinery and put every logistics in place to immediately evacuate yourself and your family members from the northern part of Nigeria and head towards Biafran territory. Leave all immovable properties behind and take only essentials that will not in any material manner encumber your safe relocation to Biafra land. Take all necessary documentations relating to any landed property you may possess in the northern part of Nigeria and move to Biafra land. Do not return to northern Nigeria until it is declared safe to do so. The statement further urged citizens to stay tuned to the Radio Biafra platform to be informed at all times as the situation progresses. Whereas it is the duty and responsibility of the Directorate of State of the Indigenous People of Biafra, the DOS, to safeguard all Biafrans irrespective of their faith, immediate action is required now to save the lives of your loved ones. Download the Radio Biafra app and the Ipob Community Radio app. Tune in to Radio Biafra at 102.1 FM for more information and update as the situation unravels. Family Writers Press International.